Alright, so now I'm right now in front of my uncle's '09 Dodge Journey. So, let's see, this is the lock button. Now, and this is the unlock button. And then let's see one more here. Okay, then we will show you the lock here. Then this is unlock. And now let's go inside my uncle's car. Then I'm gonna show you. And then I'm gonna put right here and then wait until the chime goes off. Bro, the chime has to go off. Now for me to run the car. Starts properly. It's a very nice steering wheel.
Okay.
Now, this is the turn signal sound. You guys listen. And yes. Yeah, car's now started properly. It's 11 degrees outside.
Okay, now done.
Now time for me to shut it off.
Okay,
and then time for me to close the door.